Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's a new FaceTime. I genuinely had the best morning. I'm exhausted and I had the best day because I woke up with so much gratitude, to be honest. And it's not that my life is perfect, don't get me wrong. It's not because I say that you should think that my life is perfect. It's just I started to, when you do gratitude, I told you last time, is you realize the good, not only the bad in your life, but the good as well. And then this morning I was working on a project that I need to continue about it's a party wedding venue. And I was so happy. I was like, oh my God, thank God. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for, you know, my studio growing and also because last night I went out, I had dinner with a new friend, and we clicked because we see the same things. We see life the same thing. It's like when you want something, when when you have dreams, work for them. Don't let people think that you are asking or you're dreaming too big or it's just a dream and I love that, and I was missing that honestly in my life because with your friends or your family obviously that for your whole life, but you feel there is a sort of distance, or you don't see the things the same way, you don't value things the same way, and you don't really have you don't know what to talk about with them. And I have that with my friend that I love, but I was missing these type of friends that we have the same goals in life, which is, growing and chasing our dream and working hard for them and believing in them. And it felt so good to see her, and I went to sleep last night with that. And then this morning I woke up and I was working on the project, and I was like, oh my God, thank you. Thank you for this life, and also thank you, God, because I recently started praying, and I told you that in one of my previous, FaceTime. And I heard so many times that as soon as you start praying and asking God for what you want, He will give it to you. And I'm like, why was I waiting so long? I was literally procrastinating praying. And I wanted to for months, and again, the procrastination comes from my ADHD, and it's crazy to me. And as soon as I started praying, I see the things coming to my life, opening up things that I was like working so hard for months. And it feels, and I'm not there yet, I don't think that but I see things slowly coming up, and that is fine enough for me now. It's fine enough for me to continue being grateful to God, believing in God, giving my full trust to God, and continue working hard and being resilient no matter what the issues that I had in life that I keep having. I keep having issues, trust me. But yeah, so I had that, and then I went to my workout class, and I love this workout class. I love this trainer because I've been wanting to do more strength training. I used to do a lot of strength training at the gym. And then I got some sort of bored of it, kind of, and I started doing, Pilates, reformer, and I loved it. But then I was feeling like I reached a level where I was not growing. I was missing something. And then, because I read a lot and I listen a lot about health, strength training is the best you can do for your health, for your longevity. Muscles are not just to look good. Muscles have a role. They have a role to support your skeleton, your, everything inside your body, basically, and that's why for me it was really important to do more strength training. And I started to do this class that is specifically about strength. And every time I go to that class with that guy, I end up being so sore all the time. And every time I do his class, I come home, I'm not even joking. I have my breakfast and I have a nap because it's that tiring. So it's crazy. Now it's like the afternoon. So I'm exhausted, but I have a lot of things to do. I just came back. I don't think I'm gonna do my 10K steps today because honestly, I think my legs had enough today. So I'm gonna do, it's like I just came back because I needed to buy some coffee. So I just went for a little walk. I'm traveling tomorrow. I'm going to Barcelona. I have a project there. I have a project in Barcelona and it's finalizing. So I'm going to do the last little bits. So I need to pack. But I want to do my dinner first. My dinner. I have an early dinner. Sometimes I eat my dinner at 4:30, you guys. Sometimes at like 5-ish because I have two main meals. I have the morning meals around 11, between 11 and 12. And then I have a snack. And then I have my dinner, which is at that time. But because of that session today, I'm not even hungry. I just want to fuel. But I'm genuinely so happy about that session and how my body's looking. It's like, we all have things that we don't like on our body, right? And me, it used to be my arms and my upper body basically, because I have strong upper body compared to the bottom. And I used to hate it. So I used always to hide with like big things and all. And now, because I know how I see things in a different perspective. And I really do that with everything in my life, is seeing things in a different way. And now I'm like, oh my God, this body helps me to do so many stuffs. It's like, when you go to a plane and you have to put your luggage on top, I'm able to do that. And it sounds stupid, but think about it. Think about it, the time that you were not able to do that. I can do it by myself. And I feel so grateful for that, for so many things in my everyday life that I'm able to do. And I see that they're, getting so nice. Like, I'm so happy about, look at this. I'm so happy about that. I'm like, I worked that, and I genuinely love my upper body now. And, my shape, I know that I'm like bigger here than here, which is fine because, like, it's just I learned to know what looks good on me. And so for me, that's what helps. It's like, let me show you. So what you can see, what it looks on this type of body where you have the upper body is larger, is literally, for example, low-rise pants and jeans. And for me, I feel it looks so effortless. Effortless. And I didn't even do anything specific. I have these low-rise pants that I bought vintage. And I have this top that I like that accentuate the upper body, but I like it. I work hard for these arms. Look at this. And I'm so proud of them. I really am. So, yeah. And I love it. I love it. So, do please, your strength training is important for health. So right now, I think I'm gonna attempt at doing my excuse the mess. As I told you last time, the kitchen, it would never get. As soon as I clean it, 2 seconds later, it looks like nothing. So I think I'm gonna attempt at doing a rice paper, tuna, whatever I have in my fridge because I'm traveling. I'm trying to do something about it, but I also want to feel my body. That's not enough. So I think I'm gonna make some vegetables and all. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. So it's really healthy. Also, I think I'm gonna also have sardines because I'm obsessed. But I think I'm gonna do that. Then we have to do my luggage. I always travel with this tiny luggage because I travel a lot. So I learned to pack. I always, most of the time, take the same things. And I learned to pack. I have this in a big bag that I take with me. And that is pretty much it. And I have these, you know, my staples that I can mix and match. So I need to do that. And then I need to work on my project. Let me show you the project that made me so grateful. So that was that. That's a big venue. It has 2 levels. And I was working on finalizing the plan, the technical plan, you know, with all the measurements and what we need for the electricals and the plumbing, etc. And I was suddenly was like, oh my God, this is such a big project. And there is some other coming up, and I'm like, I'm so grateful for that life. I'm nowhere where I want to be. But it's like, when I think about it, I totally changed career. I went from a business school doing consulting for the tech companies, some of the biggest companies in the world, to doing interior and learning to make plans and learning these new tools. And I'm like, oh my God, that's what I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for God, but for myself as well. Specifically with what I've been through, I'm like, I'm so proud of myself. So it's crazy to me. And yeah, and tomorrow I'm going to see my project in Barcelona. I have a project in Barcelona, even though if it doesn't make that much money. It does. I just love the project. I don't recommend doing that though. It's just like, I don't know. There was something, I felt it with God that I had to do it. So I'm doing it. And yeah, I'm so happy. And also my parents will join me in Barcelona. So I'm actually happy about that too. But yeah, I have a few trips coming up. So it's Barcelona. I might vlog it, I'll see. And then afterwards I'm also going to Iran, Algeria, because I have some potential projects there too, you know. And I promised to myself that I wanted to be a global interior designer, an interior studio. So that's what I'm doing. I've been having a few projects around the world. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'll continue. I'll have my dinner, I think now. I'll prep it. And then I do my luggage. And then I work. And I still need to pray. I haven't prayed today. I need to shower first. But yeah, thank you for joining in today's FaceTime. I'll talk to you tomorrow. And please don't forget your gratitude. I'm not even joking to you. This is game changer. I talk about it every day. I talk about it in every vlog. Gratitude and faith. But for me, they're related. Bye.